Hi my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today is Sunday, March 1st, and I'm going to be filming all week for how I plan in my planner, and it's going to be for the week of the 2nd through the 8th of March. So I'm going to start with putting in all of the dinner plans I have for the week. So I know I'm going to be seeing my boyfriend for dinner on Monday as well as Thursday. So I'm just going to put in some of the concrete plans that I have. And I'm going to flip the page because this is how I normally write in my planner. So I'm just going to give you a full experience. So I'm going to be prepping dinners on Monday morning before I leave for work. I have a lunch date with a friend, with another name share of mine, which is kind of interesting. And then, like I said, I have a dinner date on Thursday with my boyfriend, and I have a girls' night out on Friday, which I'm really excited about. So I'm putting all of that stuff in. And then Sunday is International Women's Day, so I already marked that out. So I'm just making that International Women's Day a little bit thicker. To add some boldness, and I don't know if I like that, but it is what it is. And I have a salt spa appointment that Sunday morning, so I put that in and we'll see what happens. For now, those are all the things that I have going on. And I was using the Inkjoy gel pen in 0.5, so it's paper made. I know that I have an appointment on Friday at 10 a.m. with Dr. John, as well as I work from 9 till 2, so I'm going to be not sneaking, but leaving work for a bit to go see my doctor. So I'm just going to put some work times that I know when I'm working. So I'm going to try to make some Amazon returns on Tuesday. At least I'm going to print all the stuff that I need to return. I had quite a big order and some of the stuff is not right, so it has to go. Okay, so that was Sunday. Okay, welcome back. Today is Monday, and I already tilted my camera so it fits the way it's supposed to. And we're gonna figure out what we did. So I had all of those things done and film after the pen. I included that in there. And now we're gonna be planning for Tuesday. So I know that I'm going to be placing a big order tomorrow with the Happy Planner because unfortunately the stuff that I want, some of it was Joann exclusive, and with Joann, the one by me releases things so late. Just now, almost 2 months later, they're now just releasing the digital detox and like the recipe planner and all of that stuff that came out, I believe, around December, if not earlier. So that was a little bit late. And like I said, I had a Facebook post that I had to do for one of the groups that I'm admin as well. So, and I went and I need to go to USPS, pick up a package that they weren't able to deliver. And then we have Tuesday. Tuesday is here, and let's see. So I did most of that. I printed all of this stuff, and I decided what I keep and what I don't. I had as an Amazon wardrobe send in, so I had to pick out the items that I wanted, and then I'm shipping the rest of this back. I had a Target run, and I had a very, very long day at work. I did end up ordering the Happy Planner stuff the moment it opened, so that was quite exciting for me. I did spend up quite a bit of money because it was $329.11. As you can see, I put that in. I need to go to USPS because I didn't do that. Those little arrows, that's actually from a bullet journal system. So I use Getting Things Done method with bullet journal system together. And I use it in a planner, which I know is insane, but it is what it is. So I'm just getting my Amazon orders ready to return. I'm just going through my head to see what else I need to do that day. There's so much stuff that needs to be done. I need to clean up my house, so I'm going to be doing the kitchen on Wednesday, living and dining rooms, meaning cleaning them up. And I need to make a deposit, so if I do that, we'll be good. I might not be able to, but we'll see what happens. I need to run to a bank. So we have decided to go out to salsa. I need to cancel one of the appointments I have for this week. Either cancel or reschedule depending how I feel. So we'll see what happens. But at least you get to see the process of me planning and what that looks like. Hello, hello. So today is Wednesday. I have done a lot of those things. So I did all of these, and in a bit I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my kitchen and dining room, and we'll be good. So the USPS run was done. I'm just gonna run out write out all of the errands I had. So USPS, Amazon, and then Joann Fabrics. So I went to Joann Fabrics, and their website said that they have new sticker books, and I called and they said yes. And I got there and they had nothing. So I was pretty upset that they made me do this and not really have all of the things that said that they have. So I'm going to prep dinner for me and my boyfriend. And I have to kind of sit down and look at my budget for this month and figure out groceries for the weekend and so on and so forth. And I haven't done my deposit, so that's going to be done. And then that salt spot is bugging me quite a bit. And that's going to get covered as well. So I get to spend the day with my boyfriend on Saturday. I don't have too many plans, which is great because usually that's not how my life works. And I'm very, very happy that I'm able to do this weekend. There are weekends that I work, so it just depends on week-to-week basis. I do have an appointment at 12 p.m. for right now, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that, so we will see what happens with that. And like I said, that salt spot has to be covered up because I really don't like how that is looking. So I'm gonna find the sticker and get that done. And I'm really kind of overwhelmed with all of the colors and hues that I put on the spread this week. I think I do prefer a little bit of more of a minimalistic way, but before the pen I really loved how this looked, and I know a lot of you do enjoy a bright spread, and this is certainly it. And for Women's Day it was perfect, but when I have to look at it, because this is my main planner, I think this would have worked out perfectly for a wellness planner or for something that I don't look at every single day, multiple times a day. I think because I do that, it was a bit overwhelming. That sticker is way too big, so I'm going to find a smaller one. We're going to cover it up. Perfect. You can see my hair sticking in there. Just washed it, so it's still wet. And it's so frizzy, so I'm going to have to fix that. Okay, and I'm going to write in my salt spot again. So in the area where I live, not even 15 minutes from here, there's a spa that has a room made completely out of salt. And you get to go and sit for about an hour in there, and it has huge benefits to your health. So I've been doing that. Hi love, so today is Thursday the 5th, and I have done a lot of those things. I still need to run to the bank today and do that deposit and look at my budget and figure it out. I actually plan my budget based on my paychecks and my paydays. So if you have heard of that, there's a individual on Instagram that actually has a huge following with that type of planning, and I've heard of it before, but I really do enjoy following her and learning from her. Clearly, I have to still take care of some of the Amazon returns. I only did about half, and now that I have kind of asked my friends what they think about the outfits and so on, I have a clear decision. So I need to do Amazon return, and then I actually need to order a gift for someone, so an Amazon order, and then it's Friday, so I'm going to be working on videos for you guys. Here we go, we finally made it to Friday. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, it's been a week, hasn't it? So you guys have stuck with me and seen kind of throughout the week how things change. And I have added some stuff, so I finished the deposits and then the ordering, and I needed to call FedEx, so I just put that down there to remember as well. And now that's pretty much it. I just need to mark off the things that have been done. And I think that will be pretty much the end of my week. So I hope you enjoy watching me fill out my planner and see the actual ins and outs of me planning my week. And if you did, please let me know if that's something that you would like me to do more often. And if you didn't, please let me know to stop. Either way, I would like to know if you guys enjoy this. So the girls' night out didn't happen. One of my girlfriends got sick and kind of told us last minute, so we canceled. And I ended up taking my boyfriend on a date. I asked him if he had plans, and he said no. So I drove and whisked him away to one of our favorite restaurants locally, and we had a lovely date with lots of laughing and talking and so on. So those are usually the most fun dates we have, when they're kind of impromptu without any future planning. And then tomorrow I get to spend the day with my boyfriend and then pick up some orders that the post office just wasn't able to leave in my mailbox, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you had fun watching me plan. If so, like I said, leave some comments down below. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. For those who are visiting me and this channel, please consider being a part of our family. I would love if you would become part of my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!